Jai Hind everybody. So today I am starting exercise 10.3 and this is question number 1. To draw different pairs of circles. Draw different pair of circles. How many points does each pair have in common? And what is the maximum number of common points? Question is this कि डिफरेंट पेयर ऑफ सर्किल्स ड्रॉ कीजिए. हाउ मैनी पॉइंट्स डज ईच पेयर हैव इन कॉमन. प्रत्येक पेयर में कितने पॉइंट कॉमन है एंड व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ कॉमन पॉइंट्स. और मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ कॉमन पॉइंट्स कितने हैं. तो जस्ट लुक हियर. दिस इज द फर्स्ट पेयर. पेयर्स ऑफ सर्किल्स हैविंग नो पॉइंट कॉमन. ये ऐसे पेयर्स ऑफ सर्किल्स ड्रॉ किए गए हैं जिसमें कोई भी पॉइंट कॉमन नहीं है. जस्ट लुक हियर. सपोज वन सर्किल इज हियर, अनदर इज हियर. इज देयर एनी पॉइंट कॉमन? नो. सिमिलरली इन दिस, इज देयर एनी पॉइंट कॉमन? नो. नाउ पेयर्स ऑफ सर्किल्स हैविंग वन पॉइंट कॉमन. वन पॉइंट common. So just look here. This is the one circle and this is the another circle. Both circle are touching each other externally. वो externally एक दूसरे को टच कर रहे हैं at a one point. Similarly there, this circle is just inside the another circle and only one point is common there. Is it there? Third one, the pairs of circle having 2 points common. Pairs of circle where the 2 points are common. So just look here. Suppose this is the first circle and this is the second circle. Just look at how many points are common there. 1 and 1, 2. So these are the pairs of circles. Now question is this, what is the maximum number of common points? So just look the maximum number of common points. Here is the common point, how much? 0. In this part A, the common points 0. In the part B, the common point is 1. And in the part C, 2 points are common. So what is the maximum number of common points? That is 2. That is 2. Is it okay? Now this is question number 3. If two circles intersect at 2 points, अगर दो सर्कल 2 पॉइंट्स पे इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं, जस्ट दिस फिगर, तो देन प्रूव दैट देयर सेंटर्स लाई ऑन द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ द कॉमन कॉर्ड. तब ये प्रूव करो कि उनके जो सेंटर्स हैं, उन दोनों सर्किल के जो सेंटर्स हैं वो कॉमन कॉर्ड के परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर पर रहते हैं. तो जस्ट लुक हियर. सपोज दीज आर द 2 सर्कल्स. दिस इज द फर्स्ट सर्कल एंड this is the second circle. This is the center A and these are the 2 circles with centers A and B. Okay, you are given two circles with centers A and B. They are intersecting each other here. PQ. Two circles with centers A and B intersecting each other at 2 points P and Q to form a common chord PQ। ये दोनों सर्कल दो जगह पे, दो पॉइंट्स पे P एंड Q पे इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं और एक कॉमन कॉर्ड जो है बन जाती है। तो जस्ट लुक हियर, दिस इज द कॉमन कॉर्ड। Why we are saying common chord? Just look, if you forget the smaller circle, so this PQ is chord for the greater circle, and if you forgot the larger circle, this PQ is also chord for smaller circle. That's the reason we are saying that PQ is a common chord. PQ is a common chord. Question is this, prove that their centers lie on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. This one, suppose I join this. And this is point M. What point is this? M. This is point M. So we have to prove that the centers A and B lie on the perpendicular bisectors of PQ. What we have to prove? We have to prove centers of the circles which A and B lie on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord PQ. Is it okay? That is what we have to prove. Ki this PM is equal to QM, PM is equal to QM, and another thing what we have to prove, कि this angle PMA is equal to QMA. These two things we have to prove. We have to prove that the centers of the circles which are A and B lie on the perpendicular bisectors of the common chord PQ. That is, PM and QM should be equal, and angle PMA and QMA should be equal. This we have to prove. Now just look at the construction part. Just look here. This saffron color lines, that they are the construction. To join which one? AP, AQ. BP and BQ. हमने जो है AP, AQ, BP और BQ को ज्वाइन कर दिया है. नाउ जस्ट लुक एट द प्रूफ. नाउ in triangle this one APB and AQB, they are the two triangles. APB and AQB. In triangles APB and the downward is triangle AQB. Just look here. This AP is equal to AQ. AP is equal to AQ. First thing, because AP and AQ both are the radii of the larger circle. Similarly, BP is equal to BQ. BP is equal to BQ. They are the radii of smaller circle. Both are the radii of larger circle, and this one radii of smaller circle. And a third thing, this AB is equal to AB. AB is equal to AB is the common side. So by which rule? Just look here. By side rule, triangle APB is congruent to triangle which one? AQB. AQB. Is it there? Now by CPCT. CPCT. From the CPCT, this angle BAP is equal to angle BAQ. CPCT, angle BAP is equal to angle, this one, BAQ. Let that is X. These two angles will be equal by the CPCT. This is X and this is also X. Is it there? Now again, look at these two triangles. This MAP and MAQ. This is point M. MAP and MAQ. Now, again, in triangles, this one MAP and triangle MAQ. Just look here. What is there? This AP is equal to AQ. AP is equal to AQ. Both are the radii of larger circle. Is it there? Angle, this one, MAP is equal to angle MAQ. MAQ, that is X, and that is already proved. Already proved. And the next thing, this AM is common in both the triangles. AM is equal to AM, that is a common side. That is a common side. So now, by which rule? This side, then angle, and then side. By SAS rule, these two triangles are congruent. By SAS rule, triangle, which one? MAP is congruent to triangle MAQ. Is it there? Triangle MAP, this one, MAP and MAQ are congruent. Both the triangles are congruent. Again, from the CPCT of these two triangles, what will happen? This PM will be equal to QM. PM will be equal to QM, and this one, these two angles, which one? AMP or PMA, and angle PMA will be equal to angle, which one? This QMA. QMA. So now just look here. What we have to prove? PM is equal to QM. This is proved. This part is proved. Now the second part is angle PMA is equal to QMA, and since it lies on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord, therefore this angle should be 90 degree. This angle should be 90 degree. This we have to prove. Now this angle PMA and QMA are equal, and also they are forming linear pair. Now at point M, just look here, angle PMA plus angle QMA is equal to 180 degree, because they are forming a linear pair. Since angle PMA is equal to QMA, so therefore what will happen? Angle PMA and this QMA can be replaced with angle PMA is equal to how much? 180 degree. PMA plus PMA, 2 times of angle PMA, that is 180 degree. Therefore, angle PMA is equal to how much? 90 degree. And this is also equal to, PMA is equal to QMA. QMA. PMA is equal to QMA is equal to 90 degree. And this is the proof of second. Now, this is question number 1 of exercise 10.4. And question is this: the two circles of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter intersect at 2 points, and the distance between their centers is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the common chord. This question is based on the previous question, that is intersection of two circles at two distinct points. So just look here. Suppose these are the circles. This is center A and this is the another circle. Its center is B. These circles are intersecting at 2 points P and Q. P and Q. Is it there? And if I join them, this PQ. So this is the common chord for both the circles. Why I am saying common chord? If you remove this smaller circle, then PQ is a chord for the larger circle. And if you remove the larger circle, this PQ is also chord for the smaller circle. That's the reason we are saying this PQ is a common chord. Now what is given in the question? Two circles of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Just look here. This is the center of bigger circle, larger circle, and this is the point of circumference, AP. And this AQ is also the point on circumference of the bigger circle. It means AP and AQ are the radii, and they are given how much? 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Is it there? What you are given? AP and AQ is equal to 5 centimeter. And one more thing. And the other radius is 3 centimeter. Now just look here. This BP and BQ, they will be 3 centimeter. They will be 3 centimeter. Is it there? Next thing is given. The distance between their centers is 4 centimeters. Centers A and B. This distance is how much? 4 centimeter. What is the distance AB given? 4 centimeter. Okay. What is given AB? 4 centimeter. And here, just look here, what you are given? AP is equal to this one, AQ. Both are is equal to how much? 5 centimeter. This BP and BQ, both are equal. This is 3 centimeter. Question is this, you find the length of the common chord. What you have to find? We have to find the length of the common chord PQ. This is PQ. Now let's look at the solution. Let the line joining center of circles intersects the common chord at point M. Where this line joining the center of circles intersecting this at point M. At point M. Is it there? Now just look at from the previous question. What was there? Now what is there? This PM is equal to QM, and what was there? This angle AMP is 90 degree. From question number 2 of exercise 10.3, question number 3, sorry. From question number 3 of exercise 10.3, आपको बिल्कुल वैसे ही करना है. What you will get? PM is equal to QM and angle AMP is 90 degree. Okay, now just look here. In triangle AP and B, APB, just look at the side AP. Its square is equal to AB square plus BP square. Why? Since 5 square is equal to 4 square plus 3 square. This is the reason. AP square is 5 square, that is 25, is equal to 4 square. AB is 4 centimeter. 4 is 16 plus 9, 25. It is 25. And AP square is equal to AB square plus BP square. Therefore, by the converse of Pythagoras theorem, this triangle, it implies that the triangle APB is a right angle triangle in which the longest side AP is hypotenuse and angle opposite to hypotenuse AP will be 90 degree. So what is the angle opposite to hypotenuse AP? That is angle B. The angle B is 90 degree. Angle B is 90 degree. Now just look here. This is B, this is A, and this is P. This is how much? 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. Is it there? Now this figure can be drawn like this. Now what will be the area of triangle APB? Now area of triangle APB is equal to half into base into height PB. So what is this? 1/2 into 4 into 3, that is 12/2, that is 6 centimeter square. Therefore, area of triangle APB will be equal to 6 centimeter square. Is it there? Again, and also The area of triangle APB. Just look here. Look at this figure. This is like this. This is P, B, A. Is it there? A, B, PM is there. So again, what is the area of triangle? Half. What is the base? AB. And what is the height? PM. Half AB into PM. So we can say area of triangle APB will be equal to half. What is the base AB? This AB is given how much? 4 centimeter. This AB was 4 centimeter into height is PM. So this is what? 2 times PM. This is equation number 2. Is it there? Now just look at equation number 1 and equation number 2. Both are the areas of same triangle APB. Therefore, the areas will be equal. So from equation 1 and 2, what will happen? Since both are the areas of same triangle, therefore they will be equal. 2 times or 2 into PM will be 6. So therefore PM will be 6 upon 2, that is 3 centimeter. So what will be the length of PM? That is 3 centimeter. Now the length of common chord. Now length of the common chord, that is your, what is the common chord? PQ. PQ. This will be PM plus QM. PM plus QM. And just look here. From the previous question, the question number 3rd of exercise 10.3, PM and QM are equal. So what is the value of PM? That is 3 centimeter. What is PM here? 3 centimeter. And QM is also 3 centimeter. So what is the length of common chord PQ? 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. So what will be there? PQ will be 3 cm plus 3 cm. So PQ is 6 centimeter. PQ is 6 centimeter. So then, what is the length of the common chord? That is 6 centimeter. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.